Pardon. Ado with Pansami, adding some pardon Majoriglo. Daily mention Montiso. In a way, like see project of programs. So programs like 6 schedules and 8 advantages. I pitch competitions, I know we pitch G fancy in a way that Ikung kang saitum at penke alvisar po at pen ito kang so amay ni lo kasi ini ikung kang saitum pen at alvisar po itong pan ili na tuman baca ni po kasi yung sinili baca ni po naki APSLC Central Committee Office Secretary ang kihailong bumarbe alang li sabi ang itong baca pardon tapi ando tulan EPSLC long alang li seme nuclear man pulo alang li laki 6 on hanse tapi ka ko 6 idol and advantages long alang li seme no kikung kang sai abang pulo alang li pansemi nilihin pe atau pancini lo
Ardom jutai
tapi ando tulang lagi itu pinong wi labang so anong wi PGC abang puig lo tapi alang li galu hisar po son sini tumong pinong wi itong danilo Okay, hi, Jai Yakhwrai sir. Alang lisa may apor ang titin pa nang itong po. Cardon ba sir?
Cardon.
Lapian ki ito malong do chulay. Alang li ki krung kang sai. Abang po iglo. Lapian ki PSLC long. Lamjai sir po. Okay, ha ang dong indicator alang lisa may ang itong po ang lipan sini. So,
Cardon.
Kasi apor pang ni pin pen. Ito amai cai kon pilo na amai so no jema la no igi pejero mai ili tu malong nanga si tong dun aki hai sip son hansi alang li fancy object of the functions la bang so competitions hai hui guson si pangcheng lo mala beton kiri balong an na pen ke no ni tunong igin nang ipijam dengan nang kili ala bang so alam hai hui dili ke pathan je fancy dili aki hai sip son hansi fancy no por pi lo
Cardon and jutai ke jengsi bang ke karbi pen tanpo atima district of break pen di mahasau pen setame kena kelangan tum do la pen winner setame di mahasau pen nasi ke jengsi bang ke pinning we for ke damtang me chiklo pen nonan chiklo e John Parchot anoja nasi pinning we abang ke prize distribution apon itum ke antulong la pen ang itum kado ko we naso a program along naso online competition along nang litum na cepati tu natum ana pansita me aprangsi nilitum hinpen ningkang sam akado nang pila nasi pening via bang pilitum break je ka solo jo atima ke damtang ni pen lockdown po bang ke awipin la sitame non nitum la lockdown ang bong sitame ilitum kado ko isitame ka Charlie pon rapia dia pan la pen ilitum a constitutional law nang ito pi tuming long aso ton pan siksidul la ba itum ka chichinia kenang so la pen anso si ilitum awareness ki do thei pan ka chini mu chot thek dia pan la si ilitum la bang thom kepra ke thom la so ka chepati long na chepati dun tum dolot la si alang litum kado ke pan sitame puthot pero pajor dulo la si sonlang bang ke pini peningwe porpai proxy la chiti me ki chengje lam do sitame mini thom kep an ba ke let to de do la si la so pu thak sitame nang ni tum ka do ko na chong hong don la pen hola da contestant atum pening we na chong hong tum an sitame akiro pajor la si pening we bang ni tum pang cheng po na si la so prize distribution la bang chief judgment sitame lam the pipon po la pen tu ye tum along do alu hisar po alang di tum sitame mo an apor dang chen po nasi paning we ke change program la bangke price ki pipon ji ajai mek si nilu tum bangke patu pon la nasi non bangke di mahasau pen sitame do la pen alang tum han sitame lam the si ni mo pen chong from som si do la message nang pi tum sitame do la si alang tu han sitame ki putui alam the do tu chona nasi good evening to you all. Those who are waiting for this program from the Mahasau, since the winner of this program, as we already, the result is out yesterday, and The winner of this competition is Miss Podmita Langthasa. So, first of all, I'd like to congratulate from the organizer of this program. So tonight we almost keep you await for almost 30 minutes. But sorry for the inconvenience. Finally, we are here. So the object of this program is to distribute the program, which the program start from 22nd of May last month, and it's almost last for it's not almost, it's already completed 1 month. So tonight we are here to distribute the prize. So it will start from the chief judge. He will give his opinions about this program. So now keep watching us. So I will hand over this program to the conductor, the chairman of this program.
Thank you, Mr. Hansi. Without doing further, now let's take to the another programs. That is prize distribution program. So tonight we have an honorable guest. He is Mr. Jones Indicators, the retired IRS officers. Thank you for being here, sir. So now I hand over upon to the honorable Jagatar sir to distribute the prize to the winner of the competition, Ms. Podmita Langthasa. Now it's upon you, sir.
We are very happy that a group of our APHLC functionaries, they have conducted a speech competition online on 6th schedule and its advantages. It is very important for us to know the 6th schedule because it has been protecting us, and the 6th schedule is a constitution. It is a mini constitution, or it is a constitution within the Constitution of India. This is a very important thing to know. It is not a reservation law. It is a constitution. It is bigger than an act or rule. All acts are made out of constitution. So the acts to be made by the Autonomous Council draw their power from the 6th schedule because it is a constitution. Now, it is very happy to learn that Podmita Langthasa has won the first prize. So, thank you very much, Podmita Langthasa, and I wish you all the good things in the future. Now, I hand over the prize money through online of rupees 10,000. Thank you. And I also now it has gone, the money has gone to
Processing.
it is processing.
Yes, now it's gone to the.
It has gone to Podmita Langthasa's account. Now I also congratulate those who have participated, all of them. Those who have not won, but the participation is a very good part of life. Participation in this a very good part of life to know, to get knowledge. Now I congratulate also those who have won consolation prize, Sarkang Tim Taro, then Sar Im Tiso, number 3, Sar Korim Teron Milik. All of them have been very interested to know about the 6th schedule and to work on it, not only to know, but to implement it. So I thank you all.
Thank you very much, sir. Prohibited, sir. Now, take to the other conclusions, Steve. Not conclusions. Take to the other, Steve. We have tonight our chief judge of these competitions, Mr. Angtong Itigatha, to say a word to the participants and to the winner. So I hand over to the Mr. Angtong Itigatha.
Kardong, pini labangso itu tum online along lamjai itu macam pati la six schedule la pen labangso advantages pati itu tum labangso only ya putha itu lamjai macam pati online long bipon long la pen hala jun det benefit non pini amian bangki itu tum nong ekipiang dengan tanang lilo. Setai itu tum kar bialam pen ini je kan apang si nili English pen dan ini pon itu atma itu tum nong kacepati bang fu di Mahasawa district pen tame untuk nasi ali teman dapat Chini putang te English pen angkat no nasi ini ke English nasi ini pola sofisi kami pen ini konsupo. So first of all I would like to welcome all the viewers from the Mahasawa to this online prize distribution program. I am very grateful to the organizer, chiefly Mr. Sipsahansi, for taking the initiative. He has been the most active person for this online speech competition, and then the other persons, Mr. Longkumar B, Mr. Simon Tiso, and then the chief guest of tonight's program, Mr. Jai Kathar, IAS retired. Thank you all for cooperating. And then being a chief judge, I would like to congratulate Ms. Potmita Langhasa for winning this very competition. And then I also would like to congratulate Mr. Sarkang Tintaro, Mr. Sarin Tisu, and then Mr. Sarkurin Teron Milik for performing very well on this very competition. So initially they have discussed that we'll organize only for the first round, and then later Mr. Sipsahansi have given his opinion that we can put 2 rounds so that those competitors will go and make a deep research and then bring out some more facts and then some more knowledge and give more opinion on it. So it has come out to be very helpful. So it's very fruitful. So thank you very much for this opinion also. Thank you so much. And then the very motive of this very competition is a call. It is a call for the youths of especially the Karbi Anglong and the Mahasawa district. More youths needs to come, and then they need to learn what is the 6th schedule, because this is the administrative setup of this 2-hill district. For the past more than 60 years, we have ignored the administrative setup of our district. And then for all these 6 decades, we have been ignoring all those rights, all those powers which have been degraded, which have been drained away to somewhere else. But then it is time, before it's too late, it is time that the youths come out and then give their opinion, raise their voice, so that we don't make a mistake like for the past 60 years. So this is the call. And then we are able to organize this program only because of Mr. Jayagathar. We are very much indebted to our president, because he has been the most active person, as we have seen now. He is the most active person in Assam, who is day and night, each and every second, talking about the 6th schedule. He has been very active in organizing the awareness program in various places, day and night, each and every day. Through the rains and suns, he has been very active. So thank you so much for inspiring us. Thank you so much for motivating us. And then here we come today, we have organized this program, even in the very critical situation we are facing in this pandemic situation. We have been, so the idea has come from Mr. Siptothanse. We have organized this program online. So my take on this very competition is that we have selected Miss Potmita Langthasa as a winner because she has bring out the history, the background from where the sixth schedule setup, the administrative setup has begun. She has given us the facts from the history, from the background. She has come from there, and then she has forwarded whatever the Gopinath Bordoli Committee has reported to the Constituent Assembly, and then all those very important points which were discussed in the Constituent Assembly, like the framers of the Constitution have seen that certain institutions which belong to the tribal people are very good, and then it would be so wrong to destroy those institutions. So they felt the need to protect those institutions so that the tribal can develop in their own genius. So the very concept of the sixth schedule is the protection and the progress of the tribes people in their own genius. So this is the very idea of the sixth schedule. So she has been able to tell us, she has been able to tell the people what the sixth schedule means. And then this actual program is a speech competition. So the actual public speech character, actually it has been performed very well by Mr. Sarin Tiso. He has been in the character of giving a speech in the public. So I'm very much impressed with Mr. Sarin Tiso. And then Sarakang Tim Taro, he has done so much to publicize this sixth schedule to many people. So he has been doing very good in the YouTube platform and the Facebook platform. So congratulations to him, and then thank you so much. And then Sarkulim Tarun Milik, point wise, I think after Potmita Langthasa, he has done very well. I am very much impressed with Mr. Sarkulim Tarun Milik also. So anyway, I congratulate all the competitors. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being a part of this program, because we didn't expect that much competitors before this organizing this program. But then thank you for coming and then joining us. And then I hope that we will be able to organize such programs in future. And then, like I said earlier, this is a call to the youth. So let us all work together and then call the youths to come in, and then we can organize at different level. So I just pray to God that this pandemic ends very soon, and then we can organize offline also. This would be very great, because we need such youths, such learned youths in different levels, because one or two person cannot organize such awareness programs each and every day. We need more leaders. We need more youths who are learned about the sixth schedule to the Constitution of India. So this is the call. So this program has come to an end, but then let us remember that we are responsible, because we know we have learned the sixth schedule, so we have learned something, so we are responsible. Like in the movie, it is said that with more power comes great responsibility. So we have learned this Constitution, so the responsibility is with us. So let us go to the people, and then let us give them the knowledge, the basic knowledge of the sixth schedule to the Constitution of India. So this call is for the youth. Please remember this. Certificate. So okay, let me just clarify. Let me just clarify. We have transferred 9,000 to Miss Potmita Langthasa. 10,000 cash. 10,000 online transfer. Okay, 10,000. And then we'll be giving the certificate for this competition. We'll give the certificate through speed post. Okay, so Miss Potmita Langthasa, we request you to give us your postal address through WhatsApp, so that we can send you the certificate. And then Mr. Sarkangtin Taron, Mr. Time Chiso, Mr. Sarkorin Taron Milik, I request you also to send us your postal address so we can send you the certificate through speed post. And then I would like to declare that we'll be giving 6 schedule, a book of 6 schedule to Miss Potmita Naktasa to speed post, and then 3 more books to 3 persons, Sarkangtin Taro, Scientistu, and then Mr. Sarkorin Taron Milik. This book would be a thoughts on Indian Mongolians, written by Mr. Jaikatha. We'll be giving this to Mr. Sarkangtin Taro and Scientistu, and then Sarkorin Taron Milik. Okay. Lasi pinimela bangso itum nong ekapajir ang dengalong nang cetong dunang kelang bang tutup ana pansi tame choro park piklo itum aje kedinga port ning hong kong pen non ponta na kedudun ga port choro park piklo lasi la bangso itum online along kasepati ki binang ko katheke chini ato itum non kedo bom ke abura put amasi itum along ka preka chatai long e bi unet dalo koi pisa tame hem do prong ke lake chokche asitina ke sunga porta ko nani ke atowar doji pumat hasia lang li hanse sang ko pen labang so itum online tbg fan to lang di abidi bano ceto duno itum kado ke ceto pen claim unlo nasi naso ke claim along de semet pen ake mangdam ke la hello itum a 6 schedule puge laso prang non pen prang ningkan poket troke ba phang to ke itum kachini ne inting plak la kwat kachini ne cethan le bang be sitai itum kathar sar labang so putak ke than ben non pinianian ke 6 schedule kupima pule chini nesi tame 6 schedule kwan ke ningjelo da ke 6 schedule along ria pot ide tum inglong aso tum han ke rai aron lu po an ke chini no la si la halata isia ke chun no puoi phitita kuloso ang deng ten kuloso aron ten si itum hanan ke rai kom no halai hui ka chini arlo itum ki hut thu ben ki phutu ben itum ong dong muka paklang nang ji bang akan sot la lasi la bangso kacepate long ke chengsi ge tum ingdeng isian zibi choji pusima thalo sita thi hamse sang pen bidi bangso tum ingdeng hini bi ko lasi thegam long lo ali do ko lo thema ingdeng silong ko pu am mari tum kapachini an susi hala final mate ang dung giti kacepate do thulang ko joine muni tum kacepate tu abang foto un an bor ilo purlo charli lo pen an susi paklang tu lo mi pigelam nasi akhir pialam bangke laso kacepati pindah jut kokpo kopilo dolang gante laso pi laso lam bang char julo protang te akhir pialam ke lahelo non o wikimiatum nang bar tunang lang la pen nang japon tunang lang puak hal si semet pet kabor ya thema inut bahini vet abang fusi along tin kedam arnivan ke tham verji puke la ke joy ke gali lasi metang pen charli si metang si jepet tek si labang so arpu deng si rap anong ke thanam chunang ji ke akenang sot kangjak athima chini ne pulotang te jakong le imposita thekdun de lo ilutum akenang so itum cari calon aron ale ingbu esita itum je thekdun de ka chini ne pulotang la puelo athima ingku ka chini ne lasi la so hormu kapachi nije pan mangke ja semet pen itu mau betum arpu deng tu si charli tu si itum dam tunang ko an ja semet pen la pen jong se kacepati bibi pulutan te itum ka bor ibang asap ingar chet kacepati pulute bor ichet athema ni unangji pula so bang tu lasi itum online det kali nili arna be hejume hangji itum la bang so avur judap yang nang po la pen itum la so phi itum la son kacepati bang di pon bom nang po anu te obe ti mi tum bang charli chunang kok pula ke charli nang ko chipe thek nang kok la hello ta se mette tang athema is tuma det kachari aron masi la hello det kachari aron si chini ne pulotang de la ke ting kup pena ka pe ke kali do tang la si milihin pen la kang sai bang fu akong fu la bang so aman te ni than nang ke pala kan lam na ka jai long pot ini hinta kami churo lo pardon.
Thank you so much, Mr. MP. Churo baziro bisa ngawan. Na penola bang gili tu masai ka prek thana da bede lo posi. Gili tu ijut ang dengan bele tanu nai. Bon se me puri tum organizer abang pui lo alang lisu sana sa por khang itu nasi alang lipansi ni por pitil.
Churo lo nasi paning we apor bang jadi cuma jating club pen price ki PG hot alam se tame penangan se than lo lasi chunun ni det nang yedim se tame chunun det lo te price ki PG along 6 schedule alam la puan so se pe chana la pen nutin ili tum la 6 schedule arlo ke do tum anabang tum tribal tum ang pachini piknang lang punang ma thadun la pen ang chirap dun financially tangka asapsu ku nang chirap dun pen nil tum kado ko isita me laso program paning we kipajutlong pa me la pen ning clar chen pen kipajutlong pa me pot alang litum pan sita me nil tum la da organizer la pen la da chief judge do la pen nil tum along sar jaiga thar highest retire sita me do la nil tum kado ko ihin pen sita me nang litum pa ninga klong pen akiro nang pajir lo la si kirang jarni la arni an sita me nang litum la punang chirap dun bom no ili tum la pu chirap seroy bom pen si ili tum apang tam bom po la si ili tum la an so se prang ke wang ji ki klem nang lang si ki ong la pen pache thang nang si ki ong la so po si ili tum chirap chitu bom pulatang pe ili tum apang tam un rap rap po la si nang tum ha sita me churuk pik lo ki jut sialam mang ke la hen lo
alang itu nang cerap dun abang ful kana bang tietum alang itu mamen ke parnu nang ilo pusipu la si alang itu mapantami itu maman pilo la si alang itu man amen parnu ne pin kasi itu mehin pename churu ke pajir lo
Kasi nona bang gele tum kijul ang dengal rin damlo na kasi nili apoy ni pin pen kijul ang dengal kiriji pansi nili wang ipo kasi pinong we labang so competitions rala tum nanga situ dun lapen ki anu tina bang kutin seme dak hor nangi bidun pen ang pachun e me thek apot nilihin pen kadu we tum pan seme nilihin pen seme shuru pajir lo lapen ki kuthot ili shuru pajir thuing tu pinong we tum nanga situ ong dun lapen ki alang li seme ki kung kang sai bang kuig lo ki hai dong kumar be alang li pan seme ni atlong pajir lo lapen adun thu labang so competitions pe dun ang ji ipu alang li hello kapori abang kui lo alang li ke sipson hansi tapi ga ko alang li ke kikung kang saya bang ko amade lo kikung kang saya bang kui lo alang li ja alang li seme kaji pe du pen labang so program si pachun long me po alang li pan si menili hin pen churu pa jero lapen ga alang li pen pe ti itu labang so program seme itu pangcheng theke de ji lapen tum chini theke de ji aku itu baju theke de ji alang li seme uthot pinong we por ans da lang itu molong nang dudun lapen lang liya sai do ong bong sibena dudun thega po lapen gitu man or nang pidun lapen ke itu man ke japon po lang li pans to me ni bichuru pajuru lo ke hai jaga thar sir pardon sir lapen itu molong ikung kang sai bang pu kong bang pu lo lang ke alang li stabe bathang apor ko chiki be me pen kikung kang sai be me pen ki hai bang pu tum pan seme alang li paklang thega pot alang li pan seme nili hin pen churu pa jeri lo pasi nili nona bang ki rip jeng deng sinang li po adogo we non online streaming lang lang do mo korti le pending shit tum do ana pan seme apen mo ki prang bang ben ke lang bom jina korti ing tum han an seme nili hin pen ang tum pan churu pa jeri lo pasi pinong we ana bang ki lapan li bijit pon ilo na Ado we don't fancy me, ajo give me a cardon. Do me tag me, cardon. Good night.
Cardon.